So, our thing is Saturday that we plan on going to. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag just yet, but this is going to entail some driving. And the brake lights in Trashy haven't worked for quite some time. If you're at the track, it's no big deal. It's got running lights. If you're just scooting up to the corner, whatever. The issue is that the brake light switch isn't lined up perfectly with the brake pedal. So what I have to do is adjust it for throw and then aim it perfectly at the thin ass arm for the brake pedal. So when you push the brake, it pulls away from the switch and then the brake lights come on. Then you let up off the switch, it pushes on the brake light switch and it turns them off. So I got the switch up in there. I'm gonna adjust it for length and tighten it up and then bend the bracket that holds it into the proper position so it works well. We're not gonna be able to get you up into the area where I'm gonna be working, so I just thought I'd walk you through it. So, we have our surprise for you, and we're gonna get ready for the surprise. And part of the surprise is that it might rain. So, I have bare metal on my roof, quarter panels, and deck lid of Trashy. So, I got some 2K epoxy beige, and I got one gloss protective white turbo can. Let's see what's gonna happen. So, I don't like it, but guess what? It's not bare metal anymore. Doubt it'll grow on me, but we'll see what it looks like outside. Got a different look for Trashy. Little turbo can action. Better than the bare metal. Still trashy. I'll get back with you in a little bit. So it's Friday. After driving around trying to find some 3-inch pipe to modify the exhaust on the car so it's under at least the rear seat so we can hear ourselves think while driving, I decided I'm going to use these mufflers and pipes that came with the Marketplace Monte Carlo to get us where we need to be. So, here we are practicing proper safety equipment at Glenn's Hot Rod Garage. So certainly these welds are going to look like crap. Can properly weld like crap at home also. Got the exhaust wrapped up and trash. Relatively quiet, but dang, does that fuel pump make some noise. Thanks for watching. So, Thursday night, I fixed the brake light switch in Trashy. I also painted the back of the car. Friday morning I got up, I went and tried to find some exhaust pipe to put my mufflers under the seat so it'd be a little more peaceful in the car. Got my street tires together, found some lug nuts, loaded all the stuff up in the trailer to go to Bill Hoskins and Bob McVeigh's cruise and car show from the Old Man's Garage. So we traveled from Detroit down to Mount Vernon, Ohio. Well, that was the intentions. We got the room and everything. And on the way down there, my power steering was making noise. So I pulled over and checked it out and filled it up with power steering fluid, not thinking nothing of it. 50, 60 miles later, power steering was making noise again. So this brings us till today. As you can see, my power steering cooler is rusted out. Say, what? No big deal. What's a little lack of power steering fluid? Well, this is a heavy duty truck and it is equipped with Hydro Boost, which is power brakes hooked up to your power steering. When you run out of power steering, you don't have much for brakes. So, unfortunately, we had to turn around, cancel the trip, and head back. Therefore, we did not make it. I hate to let you down, my loyal viewers. Tried to do something for you, and it just didn't work out. So you're just going to have to stand by for the next thing we come up with. Thanks for watching.